So if you have ever struggled with dark spots or uneven skin tone, then this video is for you. Today we will explore causes of pigmentation on the face, and I think the most commonest cause, in my opinion, is sun exposure. Now what happens when the sun's UV rays touch your skin? They have a tendency to increase the production of melanin in your skin. Melanin is the pigment which gives color to your skin. So exposure to the sun, if you spend too much time standing out in the sun without using protection of any kind, including sunscreen, then it causes the production of melanin, which can lead to sunspots and freckles, which are also present on your face, on your cheeks, on your shoulders, and on your hands. The next most common cause is hormonal changes, especially in women. Any fluctuation in the hormones can lead to, again, excess production of melanin and can lead to a condition which is known as melasma. So conditions such as pregnancy, menopause, or even if somebody is on birth control pills, they can all cause a fluctuation in the hormones, leading to production of melanin, leading to melasma on the face, which is actually very difficult to treat. Melasma is commonly seen as brown and gray colored patches, and they're commonly seen on the cheeks, on the nose, and on the upper lip. The next most common cause is PIH, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. PIH commonly occurs in response to a cut or an injury, skin conditions such as acne or even rashes. Now this is a darkening of the skin, which again is due to excess production and accumulation of melanin in the area which has undergone any kind of inflammation. This type of pigmentation, or PIH as we call it, is common in darker skin tones, but it can affect absolutely anybody. The good news is that it does fade with time. However, there are treatment options available in the clinic or even otherwise, and they give very good results. As we age, the skin's tendency to heal itself slows down, and as a result, there is the chance of developing dark spots, its spots on the skin increases drastically. Also, if there is a family tendency to develop dark spots, there's a very high chance that you will develop it as well. Unfortunately, aging and genetics are not some things that we can actually reverse or control. However, with the use of good skincare products, with the use of sunscreen and antioxidants, you can delay the progress of aging as much as possible. So these are the main causes of hyperpigmentation or dark pigmentation on the skin, and the cause of pigmentation actually determines the course of treatment which will suit you the most. Remember, sunscreen is your best friend. Do continue using it. Consult a dermatologist if your pigmentation cannot be controlled with over-the-counter medicines. There are treatment options available in the clinic which help you drastically. If you found this video useful and informative, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.